Welcome to our discussion on the importance of clinical testing kits in healthcare. These kits are crucial for diagnosing and managing various health conditions, offering features that enhance accuracy, reliability, and ease of use for healthcare professionals. High-quality testing kits boast advanced reagents for detecting specific biomarkers, ensuring high sensitivity and specificity. This accuracy reduces false results, enabling clinicians to make informed treatment decisions swiftly, which is vital for managing infectious diseases and acute conditions. We supply a variety of clinical testing kits commonly used in the NHS, including but not limited to the following: Complete Blood Count Test Kit, assesses overall health and detects disorders like anemia and infections. Lateral Flow Antigen Test Kit, a rapid tool for detecting COVID-19 and respiratory infections, providing quick results. Urine Dipstick Test Kit quickly screens urine for signs of kidney disease, urinary tract infections, and diabetes. Blood Glucose Monitoring Kit, essential for regular blood sugar testing and diabetes management. Pregnancy Test Kit confirms pregnancy by detecting HCG in urine. Nucleic Acid Amplification Test Kit, sensitive detection of viral RNA, useful for diagnosing COVID-19 and other infections via PCR. Lipid Profile Test Kit measures cholesterol and triglyceride levels to assess cardiovascular health. These kits are crucial for the early diagnosis, management, and monitoring of various health conditions in the NHS. In conclusion, clinical testing kits are indispensable in modern healthcare. Their reliability, speed, and adaptability empower clinicians and public health organizations to make timely, informed decisions, ultimately improving healthcare quality and patient outcomes. For more information about all the clinical testing kits we supply, please contact us at 0127 496 5089. We would be more than happy to assist you.